Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 8486, and in this video I will show you how to enable portable hotspots on this laptop. First of all, make sure that you have an internet connection, and to do that, click these three icons on your status bar to make the control center appear on your screen, and make sure that you have the network that you are connected to right here. Next, scroll down this page by clicking right here, and then to enable your hotspot, click this icon right here. If you right click this icon and select go to settings, you'll be able to change your mobile hotspot settings. For example, you can turn it off or on by switching this toggle. You can choose which way you want to share your internet, either using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can disable or enable power saving mode. If you disable it, your mobile hotspot will stay turned on forever, and until your device turns off. And if you enable it, it will disable after a significant amount of time of all the devices being disconnected from your hotspot. Now in properties, you can select edit and change your network name, password, and the network band. To change the network band, expand this list and select which frequency you want. Then click save to apply changes, and as you can see right here, you can use this QR code to connect to this mobile hotspot quickly. So just scan this QR code with any other device's camera to connect to this mobile hotspot, and right below you have the list of connected devices. So that's basically how you enable your hotspot. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.